Okay, guys, I got about 5 stocks that I have on my watch list for tomorrow. I didn't get a chance to trade today. I got pulled out of the office before the opening bell, so no trades today. So nothing to really recap. But tomorrow, I went through some charts tonight, and here's some interesting ones. If you traded at all today, I'm sure you're aware of what happened with Kate. I made a separate video with in-depth, well, my joke is in-depth analysis of the Kate chart. And in case you didn't see the other video, I'll just slide it over here. You can see there's my Twitter or my YouTube handle, and we'll play it real quick. This is my in-depth chart analysis of Kate.
What the fuck happened?
All right, I think that sums it up. You don't see that too often, but anyway, this one, if you get down below 28, this low back here was really close to 27, 27.16. So if you get down near this, this blue line, the 28.50 to 27.50 to 27 area, I will be looking to see if some buyers come in and maybe get a long day trade in Kate. That's probably the only way I'm looking to play that. KNDI is interesting. After earnings, looked like it was going to take off and then sold off and then sold off again today. But 15-minute candles here. Pretty good support at the 1650 area. And so if we get down near that area, again, I'll be looking for intraday buying for a possible long trade in KNDI. SFUN on the daily is really just in a range here. And it's at the top of the range. You can see a pretty clearly defined range between 10 and about 1265-ish. And it's almost straight up to the top of that range. So any market weakness, I'll be looking to short that with a proper intraday setup. Okay? To me, it's too far, too fast, and the top of the range makes more sense to short than long there, but it depends on how it trades. TKMR, I don't have any kind of, hey, here's a great trigger to go long or short for that matter. But this one, with this kind of crazy action from 14-ish to, and this is just over the last few days, it actually was down below 10 a couple weeks ago or a few weeks ago, but from the 40-ish area to 26, certainly looks like it needs to come in more the way it closed at its lows. But if you get down, near, I don't know, 17-ish, it's going to be interesting. And again, like the others I just showed you, I'll be watching for some intraday buying in that area to see if we can get a bounce. ARO. This isn't really, you look at the daily range on this thing and it's negligible. So it's not really a day trading stock, but it's an interesting chart. Nice volume today and great support now, right? Over a month in this area. And so broke out, today on Tuesday on some volume. So this could be a good longer term play now that you've got great support below and it's starting to move up. So it's a teen clothing retailer. I don't know. I don't have a trade in it other than it could be worth a buy here for a longer term play. But it's not really going to be, I don't think, much of a day trader. And you know what? That's all I have in my notes. I'm kind of detached from the market, having missed today's trading session. But I'll be back at it tomorrow. We'll find some more stuff in the chat room in addition to, these ones we're watching here. A lot of times, somebody emailed me recently and asked me, do I find more trades or do I take more trades off the overnight watch list or more trades off of what we find in the chat room intraday? And the answer is the latter. I actually find more trades from the group scanning stuff intraday, but you always want to have a watch list to start. And I do like this list going into tomorrow. All right, I'll quit babbling. We'll talk to you later.